Hi everyone, welcome back to Yummy Foodies. Today we're making soft and delicious homemade biscuits with just a few simple ingredients. Let's get started. These are the ingredients for homemade biscuit recipe. Welcome to Yummy Foodies. Step 1, whiskey, egg and sugar. Take a bowl. Crack an egg into a bowl. Add 1/4 cup powdered sugar and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. Whisk it well until the sugar completely dissolves. Step 2, add oil and mix. Add 1/3 cup oil. Mix everything well until it becomes a creamy and smooth liquid mixture. Step 3, add flour. Add 1 cup of maida to the mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. One pinch of salt. Mix slowly and evenly until the dough starts to come together. Step 4, form dough. Using your hands, bring the mixture together into a soft dough. Knead lightly until smooth. Do not over knead. Step 5, rest the dough. Cover the dough with a cloth. Let it rest for 5 minutes at room temperature. After resting, take a small piece of dough, make a small round shape. Using a knife, shape it into your desired biscuit shape. Place biscuit in baking tray. Repeat with remaining dough. Arrange the shaped dough pieces on a baking tray, lines with parchment paper. Put on top of the biscuit shaped dough. Now ready to bake in preheat oven. Bake 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 25 minutes. Look at the crispy and delicious biscuit. Perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. If you like this simple biscuit recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
This video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app. BuyMote e-shopping application is one of the online shopping application now available on Play Store and App Store. Click the link below the description and install BuyMote e-shopping application.